You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Gosh darn it. We are in Austin, Texas, and boy, is it hot.
It's dry heat, so it's like very sticky, humid.
Very. Oh my goodness.
And it's just been getting worse and worse and worse and worse.
And you know me, I'm from the DMV, so woo! I don't know if I'm gonna make it, y'all. I don't know. We gonna try to make it. We are currently at the Blue Hole in Wimberley, Texas, and gosh darn it, we are gonna try to get some fire. If I don't pass out before then. Let's take this adventure together. Getting the full works. We gonna see. 1, 2. Let me see. I do kind of like that down there. Alright.
I know, but I did it.
Alright. I like how that look. Yeah. 1, 2. I like that right there. I'm trying to
I'll be upset. Right now.
boom. Alright, hold on 1 second. Yeah, you can hop in the water.
We're not?
Yeah. Go ahead. I think we got the main vantage point. Because everything else is kind of super busy. You know what I mean? Yeah, you gonna jump from right there? Oh yeah. Come on, let's see what you got.
Can't die.
You can't die? Yeah, just give me a cannonball. Alright, y'all ready for Thasi?
Maybe I'll try diving.
Oh, don't belly flop.
I know.
It's a lot of people watching.
Okay, no, I'm not gonna dive.
Ready?
It's cold.
And it's deep?
It's deep as fuck. No, it's very deep.
Good. Alright. guys, we are headed back. I find this location that I feel like works pretty well for a photo shoot. So we're just gonna do a little entering and try to get some shots. Look at this spot though, it's for sale. One, two. Let me get you like sitting right here. Yeah, right in the middle. Yeah. All right, 1, 2. And then the last one I'll get is you kind of leaning right here. There we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Just made it to the B&B. Hold on, let's see. Boom, boom. All right. There we go. There we go. Let me put this down.